Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to convert a number into text in Microsoft Excel using a simple VBA function. For example, if we type 1250 in Excel, we can convert it into text like 1250. Here, we will not use any built-in Excel formula because Excel does not have a direct function to convert numbers into words. So, we will create our own custom function using VBA. Here, I have created a simple table with numbers and number in text columns. I randomly enter few numbers to convert to text in column A. Now, we will create a VBA function to convert these numbers into text. To open the VBA editor, go to the Developer tab on the ribbon. Now click on Visual Basic. You can also open the VBA editor by pressing Alt plus F11 on your keyboard. If you do not see the Developer tab in Excel, go to File, then click Options, then click Customize Ribbon and enable the Developer checkbox. Now we are inside the VBA editor. From the top menu, click on the Insert menu and then click Module. A blank module window will open. This is the place where we will paste our VBA code. Now copy the VBA code from the video description and paste it into this module. This code creates a custom Excel function named number2words. After pasting the code, we can use this function directly in our Excel worksheet, just like a normal Excel formula. After pasting the code, close the VBA editor or press Alt plus Q to return to Excel. Now our custom VBA function is ready to use. Now click on cell B2. Here, type the formula equal number2words our custom function and select the cell the number you want to convert and close the bracket. Now press Enter. You can see that the number from cell A2 is converted into text in cell B2. Now select cell B2 and drag the fill handle down to copy the formula in column B. Excel will convert the numbers from column A into text automatically in column B. One important thing, because we used VBA code, we must save this file as a macro-enabled workbook. Go to the File tab, click Save As, and choose Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook. The file extension should be .xlsm. If you save it as a normal Excel workbook, the VBA code may not be saved. So, in this video, we learned how to convert numbers into text in Microsoft Excel using a VBA function. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video useful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, SD Motion, for more Excel tips, tutorials, and useful computer tricks. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.